In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can transfer USDT or in another word Tether from Binance to Binance. So let's say you guys have two Binance account and you want to transfer your USDT from one Binance account to another Binance account. You guys can do that. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. So for those people who do not know USDT is a stable coin, which means its value is equivalent to the US dollar. If US dollar goes up, its value goes up. If US dollar goes down, its value goes down. So just keep that in mind and let's get into the video. First step, you want to go to Binance.com, which is the official website of Binance. You want to log in into your account where you want to receive your crypto. Alright, so this is my Binance account where I want to receive my USDT. Not send, but receive. So just keep that in mind. I want to receive it. So once I'm over here, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on wallet and click on overview. And once I go on overview, I want to go on where it says deposit. Once you click on deposit, you want to click on crypto deposit because we want to deposit crypto and you want to choose USDT from over here, which is right over here. Once you click on it, you want to choose the network which you want to use to transfer. So I want to use BNB network. So I'm going to click on BNB network. And after that, I'm going to click on OK. And I want to click on this wallet address. So I have copied this wallet address. Now, remember in this account, I want to receive it. All right, not send it. I want to receive it. So basically, after copying the wallet address of the account in which I want to receive, basically, I'm going to log out from my this Binance account. So I'm just going to quickly log out from over here. I can just click on it and click on log out to log out from my account real quick. So I have logged out from my Binance account now and I'm going to log in into my account where I want to receive crypto. Basically, I've already logged in. So after you log in into your account where you want to send your USDT, basically what you want to do is you want to go on wallet, you want to go on overview. After you go on overview, you want to go on withdraw. And once you go on withdraw, you want to choose the coin which you want to withdraw, which is USDT for us, in another word Tether. So we choose Tether over here. After we choose that, we're going to paste the wallet address which we just copied right now. And as you guys can see, after entering the wallet address, your network will be chosen automatically. If it is not chosen automatically, you can choose it yourself as well. After doing that, you want to enter the amount of Tether you want to transfer to that Binance account and click on withdraw. And basically, your Tether will be transferred from your Binance account to another Binance account.